Chelsea.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls.
And we are here today to do the ultimate glue gun off.
Because we've had like major glue gun issues.
We've gone through so many glue guns in our lifetime and we haven't found a great one. And that's been a problem since we DIY with one almost every day.
So we decided to just go out and buy glue guns from like all different places in all different kinds and brands, and then figure out which one's the best. We're gonna put 4 glue guns that we got here, some online, some in store, through a series of tests. We're gonna be rating them on, not really the price. We're just gonna like take that in consideration, but that's not gonna be like part of the score system. But we are gonna be rating it on how long it took to heat up.
How easily it is to squeeze the glue sticks through the glue gun, because we've had some glue guns where it doesn't grip the glue stick and that is terrible.
And then you literally have to use your finger and it's like, what's the point? Also, dry time. If you guys remember the hot glue gun challenge that we did, it took that forever to dry. The way hot glue guns work is that you want it to dry fast. You can keep moving, go quickly.
And the other thing we're gonna be testing is the flow of the glue when it comes out, because we've had it where we're trying to maybe draw something and put some glitter on it, and if it comes out all chunky monkey, like that's not good.
And lastly, cord management, because sometimes it can be super annoying to use a glue gun and it's like dragging through your project and it's so cumbersome. So if it has a long cord or an easy to use cord or no cord, then it's gonna get a lot of points.
Okay, so we're gonna go through all 4 of these, put them through the test, and then see if we have a winner by the end.
This is gonna be interesting, guys, trust me. I feel like I'm like, this sounds like the most boring thing, but if you're a DIYer, you're like, yes, I need this in my life.
It's like any sporting event ever. If you're not into it, it's boring. If you're into it, it's like, all right, chips, popcorn, let's go.
First up, we have this Mastercraft glue gun that we got from our local hardware store type thing, Canadian Tire if you guys are Canadian. This guy was $13 Canadian and it took about 1.5 minutes to heat up and it's ready to be put through the test. First up, we have the squeezability test. Wow. It's kind of loose in here. I'm probably only gonna give that about a 3 on the squeezability test. Okay, there's like, why is there like smoke? Okay, glue gun, you're not a real gun. Next up is dry time. So we're gonna squeeze a little bit and see how long it takes to dry. The fact that this one is steaming makes me think that it's not gonna dry that quickly. Still wet, but getting there. Oh my God, I'm having some major flashbacks to our glue gun challenge.
100 layers.
That was the worst.
100 layers of regret.
Yeah, that's what that was. That's dry, that's dry. Stop timer.
3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Next up is the flow test. We should have drawn like an obstacle course that we could try to do. You can get like pretty thin if you want. You can get really thick if you want. I'll give that about a 3. I'm not like blown away, but maybe a 4. I'll give it a 4. 4 in the flow. And one of our last tests is cord management. Honestly, this has a really long cord. It's plugged into our extension cord here. It's been okay to use. Maybe I'll give it a 3. I'm not blown away by any of the cord, but it's not like crazy short or anything. Let's see how it holds up to the other ones.
So we have this guy here, which is the fanciest glue gun I've seen in my whole life. It's a cordless glue gun, which is honestly, I think, gonna be a huge game changer because I'm always fighting with glue gun cords and it's like the worst thing ever. So this is absolutely incredible. This came from Amazon and it's by the brand Surebonder and it was $27, which is a little steep for a glue gun, but I don't know, man. If it's amazing, it's probably worth it. So we plugged this in and got it heating up on the little stand and it took about 2 minutes and 10 seconds to heat up, which I guess is pretty average for a glue gun. Okay, so first thing up is squeezability. It squeezes out really, really well. I guess what I'm trying to say is it comes out fast because it squeezes so well. And I'm already out of glue. It's a good thing, bad thing, it squeezes so well, it uses up glue really quickly. That was pretty good, so I'm gonna give it like a 5? A 5? 5 stars? Okay. Next up is dry time. I am probably gonna need to reload this guy to test that one. The only, I guess, downfall to this maybe is that you need the really fat glue sticks for it. But if it is the only glue gun that we end up using, then really that's fine. But if you want to use a bunch of different ones, then it's kind of annoying. Are you ready behind the camera with the timer?
Got it.
Okay. Not quite, but getting there. Hey, yeah, it's dry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
My timer assistant is slacking.
I was eating an apple, but also 2 minutes, 48 seconds.
That's not so bad. That's not so bad. We'll put that on the list and then we'll evaluate when we're done. The next test is flow, which is how nicely it comes out of the tip, I guess. All right.
There's a lot of raunchy things going on in the video.
I know. It's just a glue gun. It's just for DIYs. Mine's out of the gutter. People, I'm getting attacked by glue gun strings here. So let's see how nicely this comes out. Not so good. Okay, let's try and do like a bigger flow. See if it's easier. Honestly, no. It's not good. It's like clumpy and not easy to get like a good straight line. So, I don't know. I'm gonna give this like a 2 on flow. And then the last test, which we obviously know has to get 5 stars right away, is chord management. Really, there's no chords to deal with, which is great. I love it. I love it. No chords. It's great. Okay, I really like that one, probably because it's cordless and it's just like the future of glue guns. That got pretty high scores, so we'll have to see how the rest of them match up.
Next up, we have this glue gun that we've been using for a very long time and we do not know why. This one was $6 from Michael's and we're gonna put it through the test, although we already have a feeling it's gonna come in last every time. This one took 6 minutes to heat up, which I think is one of the longest ones. Oh my God, not okay. This is not okay. Squeezability, this should be like sliding, you know? It's just like carrying the glue stick. Oh, there you go, now it's sliding. It's having a good day today. Whatever. I still hate this glue gun, so I'm gonna give it a 2. 2 on squeezability. Dry time, I'll test that. Yeah, start the timer, Becky. Blob. Let me test how this drying is going. Just about there. It's not quite hard. Dry. It's not quite dry. Dry enough.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
So this might be one of the faster dry ones, but it doesn't get as hot, so. Let me try out the flow. I feel like this one has like a pretty big nozzle. I mean, you can get pretty thin, pretty thick, but it's really hard to squeeze it. It's hard to get a good flow when it's like really stiff, you know? I'm gonna give it a 2 for flow. Chord management. I feel like this is one of the shorter chords, and the fact that it even has a chord means that it's not good. So let's give this a 2 for the chord.
You're just jaded. I don't know if that's any shorter than the other one.
I measured it, it is shorter. Oh, the buzzer. I think it's my Amazon purchase. I did not buy more glue guns. All right, well, it works. Like for $6, the fact that it even like kind of pumps glue is impressive, but I would not recommend this one. Like the whole reason we're doing this test is because we owned this one. It was so crappy. We're like, let's find the best one. We also have these glue guns. We have so many glue guns. We don't know like where we got these and they're old, like hand-me-down ones, so we didn't include them. Okay, next.
Okay, next up we have this guy, and he was from Amazon. It was kind of a random purchase. It was like not very clear if it was good or not. It was by some random company called Patek. I've never heard of them before, and it was $18, but it actually came with a bunch of glue sticks in the box, so you get more value for your money, which is good. And we plugged it in, and it honestly took like a minute to heat up. So a little random Amazon purchase is off to a really good start. So let's put him through the tests. So first, let's do squeezability. It comes out pretty well. It's just very like, yeah, you know what, it works. It works. I was gonna complain about something, but really, it works. So I'd say 4 stars. Next, we're gonna see the dry time on this one. Since it heated up so quick, I don't know what that means for how quickly it's gonna dry, but we're gonna find out. Okay, ready with the timer?
Got it.
Okay, let's check dry time. Oh, whoa, it's dry. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. That's pretty good, pretty good. Dang. Next, let's do flow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh no, oh no, that's not so good. That came off, so that's not great. But you know what? It's still really good. I like it a lot. All right, we're giving flow 5 stars. And then lastly is chord management. He is not overly long, but not overly short. The one thing I like though is that the cord here has this little like protected bit that kind of makes it turn easier. And I think these things make your cord last longer, that they don't get broken or damaged as easily, which is great. It might last a little bit longer. And something else I want to mention, it doesn't really relate to the cord at all, but it has an on and off switch, which is so good because we are always like unplugging and replugging in our glue gun, which I feel isn't great. This is so handy. So I'm gonna give cord like, I don't know, like a 4. Pretty good, pretty good. So that one was pretty good. We had some good ones earlier, some not so good ones. So let's tally up everything and see how they compare.
Nailed it.
Glued it.
I'm so happy that we did that because honestly, our glue gun struggle, how long have we been doing this for, Becky?
I don't know. It's one of those things that's like so annoying, but not annoying enough that you do something about it. Until now, we did something about it. And we have some winners here, folks.
So what we ended up doing was taking those totals that we figured out and then also gave totals to like the amount of time. We ordered them by how long it took to heat up and how long it took to dry. Anyways, in last place, we have this guy with a total of 10 points. This is our cheap Michaels one, which literally, bye.
Who came in next?
This guy.
Our little Canadian Tire buddy here got a total of 14 points. Not terrible, but not amazing. So our runner-up is not that one. Big Mumbo Jumbo Hot Glue Gun Buddy, which honestly is pretty good because it is cordless, but it just couldn't do everything that our winner could do. He got a total of 16 points, so we'll probably hold on to this one, just have it.
And it's good, I think, for like bigger projects, but it was like, if you try to do anything really small, if you're trying to do like, I don't know, putting like little feathers on or something like that, then you need this guy, which came in first place. Also an Amazon purchase, so we'll link both of these below. This one got a total of 21 points.
This was my biggest surprise because we bought this one really on a whim.
And okay guys, we wanted to add the category of cuteness, but that's just like not a thing when it comes to glue guns. Low-key, Becky and I want to start a glue gun line that works well and is cute.
I literally searched like pink glue gun, like light blue glue gun, like cute colored glue guns. It's hard, man. The struggle is real.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have a glue gun that you like rave by, I feel like not a lot of people do.
If you do.
If you do, let us know how we can also check it out.
One of our other most requested videos is a DIY toolkit essentials video, and we were holding off until we found our Holy Grail hot glue gun, which now I think we have it.
And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it. I don't know if that works.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.